As you can see, I have books. Hello there, my friends. I have all 4 books that Full Moon ever put out so far. But one just came out, so there's going to be 5. I have the 4 right here. It came from the video aisle. I got it autographed and signed by Charles Band. Here's Puppet Master Complete by Nat Bremer, A Franchise History, book on Puppet Master. Here's Confessions of a Puppet Master by Charles Band with Adam Felber. And this one, Empire of the Bees, Dave J., Torsten Dewey, Nathan Chomet. Numbered, 100 made, 27 of 100, autographed by Charles Band. Empire of the Bees. Dave J., William S. Wilson, and Torsten Dewey also did It Came from the video aisle. Here they are, my friends, all 4 books, and the 5th one is now on sale on Full Moon Horror. Horror Puppet. I just purchased mine. There, my friends. I have them all, but I will soon. I got these 4, and my new one, the 5th one, Horror Puppet, will be coming. Well, that's it for now, my friends, but I believe that new evil has come to Full Moon Horrorland. I must stop it. Gotta go. Later.